Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to save properties on PropatyHub, organize them into collections, and manage your favorites. Saving homes lets you keep track of promising options and come back later without losing them. Quick save from search results. Let's start on the search results page. Each property card has a heart icon and a share icon. Clicking the heart quickly adds that home to your favorites collection. You'll notice the heart fills red to confirm it's been saved. Saving from the property page. Now open a property. On the listing page, you'll see a Save Property button. When you click this button, a window labeled Save to Collection appears. This window lets you save the home to your default favorites collection or organize it into a new collection. Creating a new collection. If you want to organize homes by theme, say all two-bed flats in Lekki, type a collection name in the box and press Create. The property is added to this new collection. From now on, you can save other homes into the same collection when you see them. Finding your saved homes. Ready to see your shortlist? Click Saved in the main navigation. The Your Favorites page shows every home you've saved. If you don't see what you expect, check the Market selector at the top right. Your saved homes are grouped by country. Switch the drop-down to Nigeria if you saved a Nigerian property, or to the UK for British homes. Managing collections. Inside each collection, you can open a home, remove it, or move it to another collection. Use this to curate your shortlist. Remember that your favorites and collections are private. Only you can see them. And that's it. Saving properties and organizing them into collections makes your search more efficient and helps you compare your options. Thanks for watching.